Hello, it's George. Welcome to George Basics. In today's video, I want to show you guys how to buy VANCAT token on Trustwallet. But before I start, I want to mention that this is not financial advice. It's just video tutorial how to buy it. I'm not financial advisor, so please do a research, and after that you should make the decision you want to buy or not. On the CoinMarketCap you can check the analytics and the charts. Also you can check the statistics, and this will help you to make the decision. Now guys, we need to go to Trustwallet. If you don't have Trustwallet, you can download it from Google Play or App Store for free, and after you download, then go through verification. So after you will have Trustwallet on your mobile phone, open it, and now we need guys to buy BNB on Trustwallet, or you can just receive it from any other crypto markets. Just go to receive, copy the wallet address, and send BNB to your Trustwallet. So after you will have BNB on your account, then go back to CoinMarketCap, and now we should copy this contract address by clicking the copy icon. Now go back to Trustwallet, click the apps, scroll a little bit down, and choose Pancakeswap. Click select the currency, paste this contract address, click import, understand import, then choose the amount of VANCAT you want to buy, and then swap your BNB to it. So that's all guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe.